your eyes so bad. Stop playing with the boy. You know what I did? You know what I have to do? I gotta tone it tomorrow. I gotta tone it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that tonight. Does that look good? Hey, I had to change it up. It looks different.
Okay.
Switch it up, you know?
Once you put the toner in, it'll look fine.
Oh yeah, I'll go blonde.
Yeah, yeah.
I miss that feeling, dude. I just didn't highlight it.
Nah, I'm like, bro, I'm not gonna run them.
Abercrombie and Fitch model.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
I'm not Justin Bieber in motocross in this one. Close gloves, empty the contents of the Mega Blue Hair Lightening Powder packet into the mixing tub. So that's this, right? And then develop into the powder in the tub. Using the brush, blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. So I gotta put the Blue Lightning in here. What is this? Oh, do I put this on my
Yeah, you probably put that on after you like put it all through your hair.
Oh, your hair comes out? It says to like apply it to pieces, but I'm literally just gonna scrub it in my hair.
Yeah.
How about we do one of your eyebrows, Donnie?
No.
Would you do it for $1,000?
One of my eyebrows for $1,000?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're bleaching it. We need it white. Dude, that's so bad. I matched those things up there. Oh, see how it's all pasty? Should I put more of that cream in there?
Yeah, probably.
That white stuff?
I assume you put the whole thing in. Oh! I feel like you gotta put more water in it, or more of that stuff in it.
That's all of it.
It matches the dirt on your back.
I have dirt on my back?
Yeah.
Is it mixing in good?
Yeah, just keep going. Hope there's enough. You have a lot of hair.
You might have to help me rub this stuff in.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, probably. Oh, I can feel it.
It's burning.
Yup. Yeah, get the back, because I can't see the back. Oh my god, I got my eyebrow.
What?
Oh my god, this burns your eyes so
I
bad.
don't know, it's just like kind of the top that's covered right now.
Not the back?
I mean, the back is too, but like the top coat of your hair. Like the underneath, I feel.
That's why I'm like trying to like rub it in.
Yeah.
Dude, imagine if I bleached my eyebrows. How bad that would be.
Yeah. You might have a little speck from where it hit. I mean, you don't see it right now, but it might. You can get it all out, maybe.
Look how this burns so bad. I feel like my scalp is just on fire.
Many minutes later.
Look how much blonder it is. Bro, what are you talking about? Look at the video
Dude,
before and after.
okay, that part is the top.
No, it's because I have to keep toning it.
Did you already put toner in it?
Yeah. But you gotta do it like every day. Bro, if I just keep bleaching my hair, it's gonna fall out.
Yeah.
I'm not pumpkining anymore. I'm gonna dry it. Because when it gets drier, because when your hair is wet, it's more orange. My hair's way too soft right now. Stop playing with the bowl. Hey, that is blonde now. It's not really as orange. Oh my god, bro.
It's gonna be. That's. I don't know.
10 minutes max, okay.
Your hair is a little purple. Just shampoo it again.
Yo, I might dye my hair purple. This is kind of tough.
Do not do that.
Dude, see how clear it's getting? Look at it.
Oh.
She said to leave this in for 10 minutes and it's gonna take the yellow out. Is it yellow?
A little bit.
Damn it. A little better maybe?
Maybe, I don't know. We'll have to see when it's dry.
Did I get all the purple out?
Yeah, the purple's out. You just gotta keep washing that shampoo out.
Bro, the flow is immaculate. Wow.
Are you feeling it?
Not a fan.
Nah, he looks like
Bro,
you got like.
look at your hair. You look like Charlie Brown, bro. Shut up.
It's like orange, not even like blonde.
Oh, that's way better than it was.